In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can start creating content like Zack D Film. And if you look at the estimated revenue earned monthly, this is around $4 million to $12 million. And if you also look at the amount of video he has posted, that is about 2.5k videos. So in this video, I am going to be teaching you how you can create the short form of his content. But the strategy I'm going to be teaching you in this video are the ones that I generated with AI.
It began with one woman, dancing alone in the street. No music, no rhythm, just her bare feet striking the cobblestone again and again, as if something inside her refused to stop. It was July 1518. The small city of Strasbourg baked under the summer sun. Within days, her madness spread. Dozens joined her, spinning, laughing, crying, unable to rest, unable to eat until their bodies collapsed. Priests called it a curse from God. Doctors said, hot blood. The city built a stage, hoping the dancers would exhaust themselves, but the music only made it worse. Men and women danced until their bones cracked and their hearts stopped. No one ever found the cause. Was it disease? Was it mass hysteria? Or something older, something ancient, that rose in the heat of that cursed summer? History calls it the dancing plague, a moment when joy and terror became the same thing.
So let's get into the video. So these are the tools you are going to be using, and mind you, all of these tools are free. So the first thing you want to do is you want to copy this prompt to your ChatGPT, which I have done here. So it's going to give you some topic and then the highlights in the video. So you can now pick one of these story and move to second prompt, which is this. So this is where you generate your script. And mind you, most of Zack the Film content are less than 1 minute. They are short, very, very short, and they are very, very inspiring. So we are going to be generating a 1 minute video, and you copy the second prompts and you copy them down to the ChatGPT. Then you are going to input title you want it to talk about. So we are going for the dancing plague in 1580. So it's going to give you the narration should feel cinematic, emotional, and intense, and ChatGPT is going to give you all of these stories. So you can also copy Zack the Film content. In what way? Come to his page, look for any story you want to talk about, then you copy the link of that video, you copy that to this website. So you paste that script here and you extract the script. So once you are done extracting the script, you copy the transcript, you copy that down to ChatGPT and you paste that. Then you come to this prompt, this last prompt here. Then you copy this also and you paste it at the beginning of the script you want to regenerate. So it's going to generate the same story sound but with different scripts. So these are the stories. So all you have to do is just copy all of this story, then delete all of this narration, combine them together and copy them down to the second tools here, which is Claim Charm. And mind you, if you are new on this YouTube page, I've made a video about with this Claim Charm on how you can generate your audio. I've made a video about it before here, and you can check some of my previous videos. So all you have to do is just create an account with your Claim Charm, and then you click on create new video, click on record and create, then you click on text to speech, then you click on this text to speech, then it's going to pop up this. Then if it doesn't pop it out, just click on the text to speech icon here, then you paste your script. And there are a lot of voices here or voiceover here that you can use that sounds very, very good. For me, I use Adam, and mind you, this page is for free. So you want to like this video and also share it with your friends, so that, of course, I'm sharing valuable knowledge and I'm also helping people to get more education about how to start creating YouTube automation for free. Let's continue. So you can also click on this advanced to increase the pace. So once you are done with that, you click on save and it's going to generate your audio. So once you are done generating your audio, the next thing we want to do is we want to generate, on this script, we taught ChatGPT to also generate for each scene, it should create a 3D renderable photorealistic visual prompt. And this is what we are going to be doing next, and this is the visual scene and image prompts we are going to be using. To generate our visual scenes, picture and video, we are going to be using Meta AI. Meta AI is a free tool that you can use to generate endless content. You can decide to create a long form video as long as 27 seconds, the longest you can create video on Meta AI. So just come here, copy all of these things and come down to Meta AI. So we are going to go for 16:9, and on this aesthetics here, make sure this stylization is around 210 for you to get proper cinematic video. Then your variety is going to be 0, then weirdness is also going to be 0. So you are going to click on this and generate your first image, which is this one that I've generated here. So if you click on this, it's going to generate this actual image here. Then the first video, second one, third one. Then once you are done generating all of your picture, then just click on this animate. So once you click on animate, it's going to generate 0.5 seconds video for you automatically. So once it's generated that for you, the next thing you want to do is you want to come back to the video generated and click on extend. And if you look at this video, this is just 5 seconds. So if you click on this extend, it's going to add more 9 seconds. Then extend again, is going to add more. Then extend again is good. So if you want the video you are using to be very, very long, up to 0.25 seconds, that is 25 seconds, then you can keep on extending, and it's still going to maintain the same background, the same graphics, the same human face. And the next thing we want to generate is we want to generate our video. How do you put all of this video together? You can do all of these things on Canva or you do them on CapCut. But I personally, so I'm going to be using CapCut to generate my video. So this is the video I have generated. So once you are done with that, you export your video and you keep posting and you keep repeating like that. So do you find value in this video? If yes, give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and I have a community where we help ourselves grow. In case you're interested, the link will be in the description. Like and subscribe and follow for more, and I'll see you in my next video. You don't want to miss that because it's a banger.